All right, so you bought your first crypto, you bought your first cryptocurrency. Congratulations, you're in the club. But now, what do you do? What do you do now that you bought your cryptocurrency? Do you just sit and wait and hodl? Do you move it to a wallet? What do you do? I understand you might be a little bit confused right now. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the first 9 things that you need to do as soon as you buy your first cryptocurrency. And for those of you that are already in cryptocurrency, make sure you pay attention because I bet you that you're missing some of these tips yourself. So make sure you pay attention because we're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Bri Fitans. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Bri Fitans.
Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul, and if it's your first time here, this channel is all about crypto and all about cryptopreneurship. So check out the channel, check out the videos, and see if it's something for you. Now, in this video, I actually want to share with you the 9 things, the 9 most important things you need to do as soon as you buy your first cryptocurrency. And this is extremely important. So do me a favor, or do yourself a favor, pause this video, go inside, grab your favorite beverage, a coffee, whatever you want to drink, grab yourself a pen and piece of paper, come back, relax, and take some notes because this is important, okay? Good, you're back. Let's dive right in. All right, so the first thing you want to do as soon as you buy your first cryptocurrency or any cryptocurrency is move it to your own crypto wallet. This means you have custody of that cryptocurrency, meaning no exchange can keep it, no one can stop you, you are holding it, you are responsible, and that is the magic of cryptocurrency. This is extremely important. Exchanges can close, exchanges can go bankrupt, the regulations might come in, they can pause your account, freeze your account. Maybe they don't allow you to sell. There's so much that can go wrong. Exchanges close every day. You have to get crypto into your own crypto wallet so you have custody. Does that make sense? Okay, now there are 3 types of wallets that you can use. The first one being an online wallet or a wallet that sits on your browser. This is something like a MetaMask, and this is especially useful if you get into DeFi. We'll talk about this in another video. The second type of wallet is a hot wallet, which could also be an online wallet, but it's sort of a hybrid, something like Exodus.io, for example. This one's on browser, but it's also on your desktop and phone. So this is your second type of wallet. And your third type of wallet would be your hard wallet. This is the safest wallet that you can have. And this would be something like a Trezor or a Ledger, or even now the Tangem wallet, which is actually quite remarkable. Now, you want to keep most of your crypto, your bulk of your crypto that you're gonna hold long term in a hardware wallet because these ones are the safest ones. The ones that you interact maybe weekly or monthly, you can keep on a hot wallet like Exodus, very safe, very effective. You can even use Trezor to make it even more secure. And if you wanna work with DeFi and swaps and stuff like that, you wanna use a MetaMask wallet, or if there's an obscure cryptocurrency that you want, or an airdrop or something like that, you want to use a hot wallet like MetaMask wallet or whatever wallet that chain requires. Now, if you want to see a list of wallets that I personally use, I will leave the link in the description down below, cryptofactor.net/resources. Let me say that again, cryptofactor.net/resources. Check out the link down below and see what I personally use and recommend. The second thing you want to do as soon as you buy your cryptocurrency is take care of your security. And this is extremely important, whether that's using a VPN, which is not the most important thing in this part of the video. We'll come back to this later on, but whether it's using a VPN whether it's using something like Malwarebytes, which is the industry standard to protect yourself and your identity and so on, or whether it's using a different system or a different computer to hold or transact with your cryptocurrency altogether, security is paramount. It's the most important thing, well, one of the most important things you can do. And it does tie in to bringing your crypto in your own wallet, just like the first thing you want to do. But the second thing you want to do is up your security. You don't want to get phished. You don't want to get scammed. You don't want to lose your cryptocurrency. It hurts like hell. So that's the second thing you want to do. And again, I have some resources, some free resources in the description down below at the same link I mentioned earlier on. Now, the third thing you want to do now that you have your cryptocurrency is learn. Why do I say you have to learn after you get your cryptocurrency? Because now your attention is focused on it. Now that you have chips in the game, you're gonna start studying, you're gonna start learning, and you're gonna be more interested to learn and actually discover more about crypto. So now you got into Bitcoin, for example. Now you're gonna learn about utility coins. Now you're gonna learn about DeFi. Now you're gonna learn about decentralized finance or decentralized exchanges and how you can swap in between. Now is the time to start studying, learning, so you can up your game, so you can have the advantage against everybody else that's in crypto. Most people are not in crypto. The ones that are on apps like Revolut or I don't know, or eToro or something like that, buying crypto, and that's it. If you want to be ahead of the herd, you want to start learning about crypto. And now that you have crypto, now is the perfect time to start learning about it, because your brain naturally shifts over there. It brings more interests, so start learning. Number 4, the fourth thing you need to do now that you bought your first crypto or bought your cryptocurrency, you want to subscribe to this channel. You want to subscribe to the Crypto Factor. Listen, we bring a lot of alpha on this channel. I've been in the game since 2017 as a trader and investor, but also as a C-level executive in multiple multi-million-dollar companies within crypto. I've written books, I have this channel, I do a whole bunch of things in crypto. So make sure you subscribe down below and hit that bell notification button so you can also have the advantage. So subscribe and hit the bell notification. All right, so number 5, now that you have subscribed, that actually rhymes, what you want to do is you want to start watching the charts. Start watching charts and maybe start learning. This ties into the one before, but maybe start learning about TA for investors. TA is not just for traders, it's also for investors. And this does give you the advantage. It gives you entry points, it gives you exit points, and it also helps you learn when and how to take profits. And yes, investors take profits. I hear a lot of people, oh, taking profits just for traders. No, you gotta learn how and when to take profits. It's crucial, especially in crypto, okay? Warren Buffett and all these people that say, oh, you never take profits, how long you're in the game and all that. Yeah, that's for markets that are not as volatile as cryptocurrency. You want to take profits, especially in altcoins and so on. You want to take profits because things change very fast, narratives change, utility gets obsolete, projects close or go bust, they get scammed, they get rugged, a whole bunch of things happens in the crypto space. You're gonna be surprised, you're gonna go crazy. So make sure you learn how to take profits. All right, the next thing you need to do, and I have a question mark here because I can't remember the number we're on, but the next thing you need to do is diversify within crypto. And I say diversify within crypto because diversifying when you're in crypto and you diversify in crypto is not real diversification. But what you do want to do is you want to start getting into altcoins, you want to start getting into other coins so you can start learning about them and learning the process. Now, don't get me wrong. If you want to be a Bitcoin maxi, all power to you. I'm a semi-Bitcoin maxi myself, but that will stop you learning and stop your journey in discovering how crypto works and how that will tie into the future, because decentralized finance, decentralized application, dApps, and so on, these are all things you need to learn. Along with AI, you can make that argument, but these are all the things you need to learn to make sure that you will make it in the future. This is extremely important, so make sure you diversify in crypto so you can get the edge and get ahead of the curve, generally, not just as an investor, but also as somebody that knows what's going on in the world. And finally, and this is the most important one, finally, you want to watch this video right here. These are 5 awful mistakes that are keeping you poor. Now, whether you're new on crypto, whether you've been in crypto, most of you are making at least 2 of these mistakes. And if you're new, you're gonna be making most of these. These are very controversial. No one else really talks about them. So make sure you watch this video right here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.